close out, Sarnetta, honors to you, to my people in New York City and all around the country. Stay safe. Don't believe the conspiracy theories that you see these guys like polite pushing with this 5G nonsense. People are dying. People are being packed in the back of 18-wheeler trailers because in New York, because they don't have nowhere to put the bodies. Stay safe.
Damn.
Practice good hygiene. When we get through this, it's time for us to come together, bring our information together, and build a new organization with all of the pieces from all of the different organizations that we were all a part of. Look at how eloquently Sarnetta spoke that Arabic. If I put together an organization and I have a similar adept chamber like Noble Drew Ali, then why can't I build with Jabari and Sanjetti and building an adept chamber based on some of the Egyptian sciences, right? Because I know about some of the sciences from other lands and other places. Why can't we have these types of organizations where we are one? Martin Luther King Jr. said, uniformity is not a requisite to unity. And I think we need to take that to heart and understand that our people are losing. We need to start putting our weight into politics, because this is why the European remains on top and we stay on the bottom, because in all of our intellect, we still haven't figured out that the way you win in this country is by being political. Our people just made Joe Biden pass Bernie Sanders. Imagine if one of us ran, what would happen? And we got our message out. We got to start thinking like that. We have to stop getting out of the mind frame of just fighting the power, but also becoming the power. And then the vision of all of our leaders, whether it's Noble Drew Ali, Malcolm X, Father Divine, Sweet Daddy Grace, Marcus Garvey, you name them, will come to fruition in us all, because we are all stamped by the greatness of these men, Father Allah, etc. We're stamped by their greatness. We're gonna battle. It's just a fact. We have divergent information. And at the
speak your speech, nigga. Speak your speech, nigga. Speak your speech.
At the end of the day, truth is one. The truth cannot be